Hello there. As you can see, I've got a whole host of these new 10-pin locks we've got in the shop. This is the lock. Give you a bit of time to count them. This is the key. Now they're all keyed different. They're not all keyed alike. I'll show you that by showing you another key up against this one. And the other proof would be, of course, it's not going to open. Oh no, that is the one for that one. That isn't going to open that one. Where's that one? Well, okay, so I'm going to show you this 10-pin tubular pick that we asked SouthOrd to make for us. It's absolutely amazing, and I'll try and do it relatively fast. Usual trick: loosen the collar, you push this washer down so all the needles stick out the end, flatten them, make them all flush with the bottom like so, tighten it up. Now with this one, more than the 7 and 8 pin ones, more tension. I'll tighten that up, and there we go. So push the pick in, trying to keep it as central as possible. It'd obviously be easier if the lock was in situ, but once it's all down, see there, that is open. I'm putting the keys back in them so they don't get lost. So set the pick again, tighten them up. This time we take this one, push it in. Now if it doesn't turn when it's fully in, just release it slightly, and there you go. Set the tool again. I'll only do a couple more, but honestly you could really just move through all of these as quick as you wanted. There's the lock. Another one. I'll do 2 more. Last one, push it in. Okay, that's the 10-pin tubular pick. Absolutely amazing.